Hello, my name is Yash Mithil and I am presenting my project 2 for DAT 301. For this project, I transitioned my analysis from R to Python. I'm analyzing the coffee domestic consumption dataset, which can be found on Kaggle. My goal was to replicate previous findings regarding global trends, but also to upgrade the analysis by adding growth rate calculations and a machine learning forecast for future years. Um, so I have used the pandas library for data manipulation. The biggest challenge, similar to project 1, was the shape of the data. It came in a wide format. I used the pandas melt function, which is the Python equivalent of pivot longer, to transform the data into rows. I also used the lambda function to clean up the year column, converting strings like 1990, 91 into integers. This prepared the data for our modeling later. Okay, using the seaborn for visualization, we can see a global trend here. It's a steady linear increase. In 2019 analysis here, um, Brazil is the clear leader in volume, followed by Indonesia. But volume isn't everything. This is where I expanded the project. I wanted to know who is growing the fastest, not just who is the biggest. So I calculated the compound annual growth rate for the top 5 countries. And interestingly, while Brazil is the biggest consumer, Vietnam has the highest growth rate over the last 30 years, growing at nearly 10% annually. This suggests Vietnam is a crucial emerging market. Finally, I used the Scikit Learn library to perform a linear regression. I trained the model on data from 1990 to 2019 and asked it to predict the future from 2020 to 2025. The orange dots represent our machine learning prediction. The model has a very high R squared score and it predicts the global consumption will continue to rise, crossing roughly 5.5 million bags by 2025. And in conclusion, moving this project to Python allowed me to leverage the scikit-learn for predictive modeling. We found that while Brazil leads in volume, Vietnam leads in growth speed, and the overall market shows no signs of slowing down. Thank you so much.